ARIYA owners have access to public charging at NACS chargers, including an additional 17,800 public chargers on the Tesla Supercharger network when they purchase a NACS adapter kit from Nissan. Inside your NACS adapter box, there is a plug adapter which must be installed before charging your Nissan EV with a NACS charger, including on the Tesla Supercharger network. Once installed, it should remain in place as it will not impact your ability to charge with your home charger or a CCS fast charger. Installation is simple. There are no tools required. You can install this piece with your hands. Notice the words and arrow on the top of the adapter plug. You will install the piece in the top of the hourglass-shaped cavity between the two DC pins at the bottom of the port. The text on the plug adapter should face up. The arrow pointing in indicates the side that goes into the cavity first. Once you have the plug adapter lined up correctly, go ahead and press it in until it is flush with the surrounding area. You must only use an adapter provided by Nissan or purchased from a US Nissan dealership. You are now ready to charge using the NACS adapter on NACS public charging infrastructure, including the Tesla Supercharger network.